modulation technique. So as you have already studied about the analog modulation technique, so like analog modulation technique, we can also have three basic type of digital modulation technique depending on the type of modulation that is in the analog type. That is, there will be three basic types of modulation technique, and AM, FM and PM: amplitude modulation, frequency modulation and phase modulation. Likewise, we can also have three basic modulation technique in digital also, that is binary PSK, that is phase shift keying, frequency shift keying and amplitude shift keying. Okay. Now first we will consider any signal. For example, it is any signal, just for it is not the part of only BPSK, it is part of all the shift keying technique, that is the digital modulation technique. So any signal, for example S1 of t is any signal, just example. Okay. So any signal can be represented by three things, that is amplitude, frequency and phase. So in this particular equation you can see that the amplitude of the signal is under root twice EB by TB, frequency is FC and phase is 0. Okay. So these are the three components of any signal, any modulating signal, that is amplitude, frequency and phase. Okay. And with the help of any function we will describe any signal, modulating signal. Okay. So in this equation it is the amplitude. Okay. Generally amplitude is represented in voltage form. So voltage is converted into energy. Okay. That is just the conversion, that is if you know the conversion of voltage and energy. So we have written the voltage in terms of energy, which is the bit energy, transmitted bit energy. EB is the transmitted bit energy. So for using the transmitted bit energy we also use the bit duration. ठीक है, इसके बगैर हम voltage को represent नहीं कर सकते in energy form. ठीक है. So it is obtained as under root twice EB by TB. ठीक है, it is the amplitude of any modulating signal. ठीक है, this EB by TB depend on the symbol. So in this equation you can see there is a single bit symbol, which is symbol 1. It is single bit, so therefore we have written EB, that is the transmitted bit energy, and TB, that is the bit duration. ठीक है, if it is of more than one bit, so it will be E, it is just E, that is the symbol energy. ठीक है, transmitted symbol energy, at that time it will become symbol energy, only E. And similarly time duration is only T, not TB. ठीक है, so EB for bit energy, इसलिए हमने E suffix B लिखा. ठीक है. So in the BPSK the phase of the carrier is changed according to the symbols. ठीक है, तो symbol 1, for symbol 1 we are using 0 phase. ठीक है, and for symbol 0, that is the second symbol, so we are using, you can see there phase of pi. ठीक है, so we have added the phase pi for BPSK. ठीक है, so phase is nothing but the angle, starting angle of the signal. ठीक है, this pi is the starting angle of the BPSK signal. So phase shift of pi there will be there for symbol 0. ठीक है, for symbol 1 phase shift is 0. If you see 2 pi FCT plus 0, so phase is 0. Similarly we are having the angle of pi. ठीक है, we have added the angle pi in the signal, so phase will be pi. ठीक है, for symbol 1 phase is 0 and for symbol 0 phase is pi. So for any cos relation, cos theta plus 0 क्या होता है, cos minus of cos theta, so minus sign will be outside, so minus under root 2 IB by TB cos 2 pi FCT. See, so it is the time duration of a single bit. 0 to TB we are writing, it is the time duration, it is the ये जो signal, the signal will be available for single bit. This value of signal will be available for a single bit. For symbol 1 the value is plus 2 EB by under root 2 EB by TB cos 2 pi FCT, and for symbol 0 signal is minus under root 2 EB by TB cos 2 pi FCT. ठीक है, for a single bit. ठीक है, for next bit again it will be 1 TB to 2 TB, for third bit is 1 TB 2 TB to 3 TB and so on. ठीक है, so this function is only for a single bit. ठीक है, जैसे कि हमने पहली वाली बिट कंसीडर की क्योंकि यहाँ पर पाई है. ठीक है, सो स्टार्टिंग एंगल इज पाई फॉर फर्स्ट बिट 0 to TB. ठीक है, जो सेकंड हैंग इट विल बी 3 पाई, इट विल बिकम 3 पाई. ठीक है, एंड सो ऑन. so now converting, now अभी in BPS के हमने क्या बताया अभी, the symbol is the carrier of the signal is modulated द कैरियर ऑफ द सिग्नल मॉड्यूलेट द कैरियर ऑफ सिग्नल मॉड्यूलेट द फेज ऑफ द कैरियर, ठीक है, सिंबल 1 एंड 0 मॉड्यूलेट फेज ऑफ द कैरियर, ठीक है, फेज ऑफ द कैरियर। नाउ जैसे कि हमने पहले